Good morning, Lions. Today is Thursday, September 7th, 2023. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We are super excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions. Today's weather calls for sunny skies and a high of 95. The yellow air quality flag is flying, which means the air is moderate for everyone. For lunch today, we will be having chili con carne and Fritos or beef taco sticks. All right, birthdays. Today we have Damaris Uribe Villasenor turning 11 in Mr. Charrington's class. Happy birthday. All right, Lions, attendance. We have 25 absences, 25 tardies. That was 483 out of 508, which was 95 again. That has been all week, Lions. Good job. Classes with perfect attendance: Abad, Bustamante, Cano, Carrillo, Charrington, Diago, Guzman, Martinez, and Zoida. All right, Lions. Speaking of attendance, super excited. I finally got all of August's attendance in, and we have a class with who has the most days of perfect attendance. Now, we had 16 days in August, and this grade level or this class had 12 out of 16 days of perfect attendance. So Mrs. Diaz's class, you guys will be getting a surprise today. Good job. They basically 75% of the days in August, right? They had perfect attendance. We do have a second place, and our second place winner is Mrs. Zendejas' class. They had 8 out of the 16 days, so half of the time everybody was here. It is super important, Lions, that we are here every day and on time. Okay? We've already started with the month of September, and for September, we already have a class that has 3 days, and we've been in school, let me see. This is the 4th day of September that we've been in school, and this class has 3 out of 4, and that's Mr. Charrington's class. All right, but we have several that also have 2, so keep up the good work for the whole month of September, and there'll be a special prize for your class if you have the most days of perfect attendance. Also, Miss B was working on the attendance incentives, and so we will be getting that out to you. But we have some fun things, extra celebrations that we put in place for this year. And if you can get 90 days of perfect attendance, we'll bring your class cupcakes. 90 days. I know you guys can do it. I know it. And if you can get 100 days, you get a dance party in the cafeteria with glow sticks. That's right. So we're trying to get for those high numbers, 90 to 100. All right, Lions. That is all I have for you. Oh, I lied. I have a shout out, and I have some reminders. Sports signups, 5th and 6th graders, those are on Parent Square. But I know some of you, your parents might not have Parent Square, or they're struggling to get in. They can call Miss Amy and she'll help them. Or if you need a paper copy, you have to individually come see Miss Amy and she'll work it out for you so that you can still try out for volleyball or football. Tryouts are going to be the 19th. So not next week, but the week after. Okay, so you still have the rest of next week to get your tryout papers in, and then we will start on the 19th. Okay, and Coach Garcia, who coached us last year, he will be the football coach, and Mrs. Rinaldi is the volleyball coach. All right, and then 3rd grade gets a field trip. So exciting. At the end of this month, they will be going to Burris Parks. So have your parents get onto Parent Square and make sure they sign you up and so that you can go on the field trip. You will be the first ones going on your field trip this year. All right, and we do have other field trips, but they're still in the works. So we will let you know as soon as they're confirmed, okay? We have a general idea and a general date. We just have to get confirmation, and then we'll let you guys all know. But everybody's getting a field trip again this year. Ooh, these allergies. All right, and a special shout out. Ms. Nichols, Miss Sarah, was in the cafeteria again between kindergarten, TK, 1st and 2nd grade. The class that was the quietest, TK in kindergarten. Good job. to our littlest lions. Awesome job, you guys. And I heard you guys had much better behavior on the playground after you had your lion boot camp on the Jefferson playground. So keep up that good work of following expectations, lions. We'll be working on a lion boot camp day for Lincoln and for Washington, and Miss Sarah's working with you guys in the cafeteria, and I know Miss Roach has gone over her rules in the library. More to come on that, lions. And also, lions, we have a new leadership club. And we have some 5th and 6th graders who are on the leadership team. So we're going to start seeing them around and having activities. So we'll get them going. And we are looking for for somebody to help us with student council now that Mrs. De La Moore is out for a while. So we will be working on getting a student council with the president, vice president, all of those things coming up as quickly as possible. All right, Lions, I think that is all I have for this Thrilling Thursday. Remember, Lions, we're one school. We have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it is now time for the flag salute.